morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad. We are here at Nescopeck State Park. Nescopeck is derived from Native American word that means deep black water. Lake Francis certainly looks that way. This is a 3,500 acre state park in Luzerne County. We are near West Hazleton, Pennsylvania. This park is in a little valley. We're bordered on the south by Mount Yeager and on the north by Nescopeck Mountain. Here with the kids, we're going to do a 4 state park swing today up here around Wilkes-Barre and Hazleton. And we're going to do the lake trail here at Nescopeck around Lake Francis. So, you guys ready to rock?
Yeah. Sure.
Let's do it. Following you.
Okay. Where's the trail again?
Around the lake. It is a crisp, cool morning here for June 10th. It's Friday here, and kids have been off school for a week. They finally got used to sleeping in, and I pulled them out of bed at 6 a.m. to drive up here. It's just before 9 a.m. It's yeah, nice and crisp. It's still in the 50s, I think. But Nescopeck here is one of the newest state parks in Pennsylvania. In the early 70s, the state acquired 164 properties, which make up the park. They added an environmental education center, which provides educational programs year-round. So we're going to learn. We're going to do school today. Just kidding. No school today.
I had to wake up at a school time.
We did. Had to wake up just like you did like a week and a half ago. But until they got all the properties, everything in, and trails set up, the state park here opened in April of 2005. So one of your newest Pennsylvania state parks here. A lot of lily pads here. Haven't seen any frogs yet. The water's dark but very clear. Breezy today. I just had the crazy idea to actually put bait on my camera one of these days, so I'm going to look into that, see how that goes. There was a fisherman right next to us, and he caught something right while we were standing there.
It was like that long.
How big?
It was like that long, like the fish.
Okay. Did he keep it?
Yeah, I think he put it in a bucket somehow.
Cool. He was a keeper?
No, he really... Oh, he did? I think I saw him. No, but he had a bucket. It was like a... Whoa.
It's like a...
Bermuda Triangle!
It's like a pump or something to turn the water or something. Looks like there used to be a sign here about it, but not anymore, so...
There's a dandelion. Not a dandelion.
So many lily pads over here. I don't know if frogs actually sit on these or not, or whether that's just like a stereotypical, like,
Probably.
showed in pictures and everything like that, but they're like blooming with nice little white flowers on them and everything.
You're really pretty.
Yeah. This lake is absolutely gorgeous, and we have like a perfect day for it. So you have the lake trail here. There's another trail that kind of winds through like 4 or 5 lakes here, but if you just step off the north side here, there's a stream down there. A little tributary, I guess, to Nescopeck Creek. 6 miles of Nescopeck Creek are designated as high quality cold water fishery. They contain brown trout and native brook trout. No frogs on lily pads. They must, instead of doing this stereotypical frog thing, they must be hopping across a highway somewhere. So a few years back, a marbled salamander was spotted here in Nescopeck. It is the first noted sighting of that salamander in Luzerne County. The park. Also, maybe on a warmer morning, we might find hognose snakes. They are declining in this area, but Nescopeck is kind of a safe harbor for them. Declining in Pennsylvania overall. But other animals that you might see here in the park, turkey, we saw geese on the way in, river otters, beaver, porcupine, coyotes, deer, and bear. Just kidding.
It's just him.
I was just talking. Bridge here on the north side of Lake Francis.
I'm not going out there.
What?
I am.
Yes, you are. Get out there.
No, I won't do it.
She runs across. It is shaky when I bounce on it, huh?
What if this falls right now? Then I'll be stranded on this side.
You would be, and I'd be
Dead.
very wet. This is about
And probably hurt.
15-20 feet up here.
Imagine this just broke.
As sketchy as I am about heights, this actually feels pretty good. I've been on worse bridges in Pennsylvania, that's for sure.
Yeah, I'm getting. Oh, sorry. I'm getting off. This just looks like there's no support under the road. Because
Well, there is no support under the bridge. That's why it's a bridge. And
a bunch of lily pads going like all the way down there.
pretty much
Like-
coated with lily pads
Yeah.
over here, isn't it?
Yeah. Because like over there, there's not like as many.
Yeah,
but,
not a
like,
lot.
You
all
can
of
see
them
more
just come
flowers
here.
over here. Or
Yeah.
over there. Over there. There's
Over
a lot of
there?
flowers.
Okay, yeah, there's a lot of flowers.
Over there, but there's a lot.
Yeah, a lot of them are blooming here. I don't know if I knew that lily pads actually bloomed
This is
or
actually
not.
very warm.
Yeah?
I'd voluntarily swim in this.
You would.
Yeah.
There was actually a no swimming sign. So
Okay.
probably
There's
a
like-
lot of
If this was in a
aquatic
pool,
animals definitely in this environment
I don't
here,
blame
plus
them,
all
it's
the
warm.
fish. Since they stock us with fish. So definitely a lot.
Oh, that's pretty warm. Yeah.
yeah, that's actually.
water.
I've seen like a handful of lily pads in my lifetime. This is by far the largest concentration of lily pads. But where are the frogs? This little stream to the north of Lake Francis is beautiful. Found a little waterfall here. I don't even know if we're gonna get a mile's worth of hike going around Lake Francis here. Yeah, I'm at 3/4 of a mile and I can see the car. So I think we'll get just under a mile here. There's a lot more to explore here in Nescopeck, but we are in a time crunch. We have a softball end of the year party to get to tonight. But So we are trying to hit these 4 parks here in one day without staying over, and we've got some miles. Next up, we're headed to Slocum State Park. Lake Francis here is spelled the same, Frances. So I am wagering that it is named after Frances Slocum. She has a very interesting story. We will discuss that at the next park. So a lot more to do here in Nescopeck. A lot of trails in the woods. We just did this scenic lake trail because it was quick and easy, but definitely worth more exploration. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Please subscribe, like this video, and tell a friend. Off to the next state park.